The A-10 Thunderbolt II, also known as the Warthog, is the flagship fighter aircraft of the United States Air Force USAF designed for ground attack missions. When an A-10 is heading to a U.S. military base, the flight process is full of preparation. When an A-10 Thunderbolt II taxis to a U.S. Air Force military base, the scene reflects unmatched combat readiness. After a mission or training exercise, the aircraft slowly moves down the taxiway toward the hangar or staging area. The taxiing process involves a number of important procedures that are closely monitored by ground crews and technicians waiting in the maintenance area. The A-10, with its straight-wing design and twin engines mounted on the rear fuselage, has excellent stability on the ground. The pilot carefully controls the aircraft's movements, using foot pedals to steer the nose wheel and throttles to adjust speed. The aircraft can easily maneuver on the taxiway despite its rugged and tough appearance. Throughout the taxiing process, ground crews, usually wearing ear protection, signal with light sticks to guide the aircraft into position. The A-10 is often surrounded by support vehicles and ground support equipment, ready to perform maintenance as soon as the aircraft arrives at the parking lot. One of the most striking features of the A-10 while taxiing is the low rumble of its powerful yet economical TF-34 turbofan engines. These engines allow the aircraft to fly farther and stay in the war zone longer. During these moments, A-10 pilots remain vigilant, communicating with the control tower to ensure each movement is carried out safely and smoothly. Taxiing an A-10 Thunderbolt at a U.S. military base is not just a routine movement, it is part of an operational cycle that reflects the strength and readiness of the Air Force for each mission ahead. The process of loading bombs onto an A-10 Thunderbolt II at a United States Air Force base is an operation that requires high precision and close cooperation between ground crews. The mission begins as soon as the aircraft returns from a mission or prepares for a new combat operation. The weapons maintenance team and logistics crew play a vital role in ensuring the aircraft is ready for the next ground attack. Once the aircraft is safely parked in the maintenance area, the crew gets to work meticulously. The bombs to be installed, ranging from precision-guided bombs such as the GBU-12 Paveway II or the MK-82 multipurpose bomb, are prepared in advance in the ammunition storage area and transported using special vehicles to the aircraft. Each bomb is carefully inspected to ensure there are no defects or damage to the guidance system or the bomb's tail section. The ground crew uses hydraulic lifting equipment to carefully lift the bombs under the A-10's wings. This lifting system is designed to reduce the risk of error or damage to the ammunition and the aircraft. Once the bombs are in the right position, the crew carefully locks the bombs onto the aircraft's underwing weapons latches. The next step is to connect the bomb control system to the aircraft's avionics system, allowing the pilot to precisely control the bomb release during the mission. Once all the bombs are in place, the weapons team double-checks the connections, making sure everything is connected properly and functioning as specified. A small mistake in this step can be fatal, so every member of the team works with great attention to detail. Communication between crew members is critical during this process. The bomb loader often coordinates with the pilot or senior technician to ensure that the weapons are appropriate for the planned mission. The bomb loading process can take several hours, depending on the number and type of bombs needed. Once the bombs are in place and the systems are checked, the A-10 Thunderbolt is ready for its next mission briefing. The aircraft's survivability and effectiveness in providing close air support is heavily dependent on the readiness of its weapons, and the ground crew plays a key role in ensuring the success of each combat mission. Due to its flexibility, ground crews at U.S. Air Force bases often have to load different types of bombs depending on the mission the aircraft will be facing. Here are some of the most common types of bombs loaded on the A-10 Thunderbolt II. Number 1. Mk-82 500-pound general purpose bomb. The Mk-82 is a multi-purpose bomb widely used by the A-10. This bomb weighs 500 pounds and is designed to destroy surface targets such as buildings, bunkers, and light armored vehicles. Its high explosive power and ability to be dropped from various altitudes make the Mk-82 a very useful choice in various combat operations. Number 2. GBU-12 Paveway II 500-pound laser-guided bomb. The GBU-12 Paveway II is a laser-guided bomb often used by the A-10 in precision strike missions. This bomb is based on the Mk-82 but is equipped with a laser guidance system that allows the A-10 pilot to direct the bomb to its target with high accuracy. This system is very effective for destroying important targets such as armored vehicles, bunkers, and moving targets, especially in open or urban battlefields. Number 3. GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munition. The GBU-38 is a GPS-guided bomb that gives the A-10 the ability to attack targets from long distances and in adverse weather conditions. This bomb uses GPS to provide precise guidance, allowing the A-10 pilot to destroy targets from a safe altitude without having to manually adjust the guidance. JDAM is often used to destroy strategic targets, such as ammunition depots, enemy defense structures, or artillery positions. Number 4. CBU-87 Combined Effects Munition Cluster Bomb Unit. The CBU-87 is a cluster bomb designed to attack widely dispersed targets, such as enemy infantry formations or vehicles. Each CBU-87 bomb contains many submunitions that spread over a wide area when released. This bomb is used by the A-10 to provide a greater attack effect in a wide area, such as a battlefield involving many enemies at once. Number 5. Mk-84 2,000-pound general purpose bomb. The Mk-84 is a versatile bomb with a high explosive power used to destroy very strong and armored targets. This bomb is often loaded on the A-10 when the mission requires destroying heavy targets such as concrete bunkers, bridges, or large buildings. Weighing 2,000 pounds, the Mk-84 provides a very large destructive power, capable of damaging targets with a wide impact. Number 6. GBU-31 JDAM 2,000-pound GPS-guided bomb. The GBU-31 is a heavy version of the JDAM weighing 2,000 pounds. This bomb combines the destructive power of the Mk-84 with the precision of GPS guidance, making it a powerful weapon for destroying heavily protected or hidden targets. The GBU-31 allows the A-10 to remain at a safe altitude and range while still being able to strike targets with extremely high accuracy. Number 7. AGM-65 Maverick Air-to-Ground Missile. Although the AGM-65 Maverick is a missile, not a bomb, it is often loaded onto the A-10 for precision strike missions against armored or motorized targets. The Maverick comes in several versions, some with infrared or optical guidance, and is used to destroy enemy tanks, combat vehicles, or command posts. The wide range of bombs loaded onto the A-10 Thunderbolt II reflects the aircraft's flexibility in supporting a variety of combat operations. From precision-guided bombs to multipurpose bombs with high lethality, these weapons options allow the A-10 to adapt to the needs of a dynamic battlefield. Ground crews play a critical role in equipping the aircraft with the right weapons, ensuring that each mission can be carried out effectively and efficiently.